Namo Namah to everyone. Myself Rishabh Khantal welcomes you all on Basic with Khantal. In today's video, I am going to discuss that why tilak is applied on the forehead and why after tilak, rice is also being used. What are the scientific and mythological reasons? What do we call kumkum and chandan in English? And why it is advised by our elder generation not to cut your nails during night time. So let's start today's video. In any worshipping place, you must have seen the most common thing is rice, whether it's chawal ki kheer or any formation that is being made in worshipping, the rice is most commonly used, because if we talk about rice in Sanskrit, then it is called as akshat, and akshat means anything, any entity that cannot be divided. So rice is considered as a complete and purest grain. That's why it is being applied and offered to God. Along with rice, fruit is also considered as a complete food. That's why you have also seen fruit at every offering or worshipping place. Now if we talk about the mythological reason, when Pandit ji says that the rice must not be broken, because the whole grain of rice has positive energy in it, and if we use broken rice, then the purpose of applying rice on the forehead does not get fulfilled. That is to provide positive energy to body, because the chandan, rice and kumkum, all these have a coolness, peaceful and a positive energy in it. So when we applied it on our forehead, then our bodies which have 7 chakras, our Agya chakra is there on the forehead. So Agya chakra controls our vision and our calmness of mind. That's why after applying it, after starting of any good thing, whether it's exam or inauguration or start of the day, the tilak is being applied, and that's why rice is also used. You must have seen that after tilak, the rice is also being spread here and there, so that if there is any negativity, it is also being killed out. Now if we talk about the scientific temper, then there are 2 hormones in our body, serotonin and beta endorphin. Serotonin is negativity remover and beta endorphin is happiness hormones. So after applying, it is seen that these 2 hormones are being secreted and positive energy and happiness is being generated. So that's the scientific reason. Now if we talk about the symbol of prosperity, then rice is present because it is considered as sign of prosperity, peacefulness and coolness. So that's why rice is most commonly used in tilak or in every offering. Now what do we call kumkum and chandan in English? Any guesses? Let me tell you. Kumkum is called as vermilion and chandan is called as sandalwood paste. So these are the English translations of these 2 words. Now you must have heard that there are 2 things or 3 superstitions which are very common, that we need not to cut nails at night time, we need not to take out earwax during night time, and we need to take daily shower before worshipping, or we need to worship daily. Human tendency has a nature that it follows the fear. If we are advised for any good thing, we doubt it, but when it is considered as a fear, then we follow it. For example, when we used to study during our childhood, then studies are good thing, but we don't feel it that way. But when we receive the flying chappal of our parents or our teacher, then we used to study very good. In the similar manner, when we are advised to have good karmas, or to bath daily, to take a shower, to worship daily, that's because if you go to temple daily, then you will have a morning exercise. If you take daily bath, then you will be very healthy. And the reason why nails and earwax are not being suggested during night, because in earlier days there was no electricity, so there was a high chance that you may hurt yourself. That's why they were the reasons. But now it's good, so you can have these things. So that's the clear line between scientific and mythological reasons. But in tilak, in case of tilak, you have seen that there are scientific reasons also. That's why it is being followed with full scientific temper. Now these are all the reasons. Apart from that, there is a term called attitude of gratitude. So what is attitude of gratitude? That when we tend to say thank you to God for whatever things we have, so we feel a essence and peacefulness in our mind. So that is also a thing, that we thank for everything we have. So we must practice that also. So these were all the mythological and scientific reasons about tilak and rice and all the superstitions that are being followed. Now if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to Basic with Khantal for more and more such videos, and meet you all in next video. Till then, happy learning.